Hi friends, good morning. Today I'm going to show you how to post on Instagram using desktop. There are times when you might have a problem with your mobile phone, and at that point of time you will like to post on Instagram, and you should know that how to post on Instagram using desktop. For that, we'll right click on our Instagram account. First, we will open our Instagram account on desktop, and then we'll right click and we'll go to inspect. Once we'll go to inspect, we'll see that this window will appear, and on top of this window, here we'll see the toggle device toolbar. We'll click on this toggle device toolbar. You can see a smaller version of the Instagram account which you had opened. After that, we'll go to refresh. Once we'll refresh the window, we'll see all the options which are available on your mobile will appear in the smaller window also. So it is more like working on a mobile. I hope you will like my video. I'll keep on posting more videos on different issues. If you like my video, please subscribe it. We make videos on different subjects like project management, designing, website development, SEO, automation. Thank you.